Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening. Very good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening,
Yeah,
ma'am.
good evening. Okay, so let's start. It's already, I think, 8:35 here in India. We have around 26 participants. Okay, so did I take, did we go through this slide levels of management? I don't think so, right? No, right? Okay, so let me start with this. Okay, so levels of management. Usually,
Ma'am, I hope we have gone through this one.
we have gone through this strategic level, tactical, managerial. Okay,
Yeah, ma'am.
okay, good. And about line and staff functions, are we done with this?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay, fine. Okay, so to brush up, what is strategic, tactical, and operational. Strategic is consists of the top management people who takes the management decisions. So the main decisions are taken by them. Investments are made by them. They decide on the diversification of the company or upcoming any changes in the system. Completely, it's taken by the strategic level. That is the top management people. Managerial middle level people, that's tactical level people, so their responsibilities are problem solving, conflict management, team building, resource allocating, and implementing recruitment, selection, and training activities, everything, training and development activities. And the operational level, that is a worker level, they completely take care of the day-to-day activities, and they are they provide the core the core production or the core activity of any organization is completely done by them. So if it is the company, the manufacturing company, so the manufacturing is the actual process, the core process. So that process is done by the worker level people. And if it is a marketing company, marketing is a core level process that's not done by the worker level, all the executives. So, and line and staff functions. So we can say that the top management, that is the strategic level and the the middle level, and they completely perform the staff functions. That is there are no departments in the organization. They provide support function and they contribute to the business indirectly. That is, they coordinate between the top management and the worker level management, so indirectly they contribute to the organization. Whereas the line functions, the basic functions, the core activities are performed by the the worker level management people. So they directly contribute to the business. Directly they contribute. It is a manufacturing, production, or whatever. So they directly contribute to the business. So we can finally classify the functions of HRM department into managerial functions and operative functions. We know very well managerial functions are planning, organizing, staffing, direction, and controlling. Whereas operative functions are they are also involved in procurement. So when it comes to manpower, initially they have to procure the manpower. So procurement, development, compensation, working out the compensation plans for the employees, maintenance, motivation, and integration. So everything relates to the management of the employees, not any other process. The operations are not done by the operations department. Marketing is done by the marketing department. Finance is not taken care by the finance department. Whereas these operative functions by the HR department completely focuses on managing the employees, procurement of employees, training and development of those employees, planning compensation and incentive plan for those employees, maintenance of the employees, like database, their professional personal records, and everything, their day-to-day activities in the organization, motivating the employees, and finally integration, building integration between the employees. So the role of the HR manager, counselor. So he can know, like she can act as a counselor. So if at all know, like anyone has no any problem in the, I mean, facing any issue in the organization, they run to the HR department regarding their salary, regarding their like hours of work and everything. So they can directly run to the HR department. They work as mediators. They like completely handle the conflict issue, like between any two departments or any two people. And then spokesperson, they speak for the okay, why it's not going? Yeah, they speak for the worker level people, and like on behalf of the top management, they speak with the worker level people. So they act as a mediator between the two departments, or the like the two levels of management. And problem solvers, again like conflict resolution, change agents. So they act as a change agent. Whatever changes the management is ready to adapt or planning to adapt, they have to know, like the HR department has the responsibility of making the other employees understand the benefits of these changes, and admitting to those changes. Welfare role, taking completely taking care about the welfare aspects of the all the employees in the organization. Clerical role, maintaining all the databases and records. Legal role, like directly like not directly they like contacting, or like in association with no other legal bodies like government or trade unions, no other legal departments, like outside the organization. So whatever changes is happening outside, immediately the employees are like made to know about those changes. So these are the collective role of a HR, like manager, or that all the executives working in the HR department people. Okay, and are we done with this? So like I would be like saying the list of like a few designations and the name of few like
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
we are done with this. Okay, so you very
Yeah.
well know. Good, good. Okay, fine. Okay, so we are going with types of business organizations. Franchising. I think this is going to be something new for you, right? This is not taken. No?
Yes, 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 new. It's new.
It's new. Okay, fine. Thank you. The types of business organizations. So let's start with franchising. So franchising, it's a joint venture, that is like a collaborating venture between the franchisor and the franchisee. It was like KFC. They started with this franchising concept. Like it started all with KFC people. So like the franchisor is the original business. Whoever lends the business is the original business person, and the franchisor sells all the rights to use the name, idea, and all the concepts to the franchisee. So the franchisee buys this right to sell the franchisor's goods or service under an existing banner model or trademark. McDonald's, Pizza Hut, Subway. So these are the examples of franchising. Can anyone name any few Indian companies? Like which has done like franchising? Anyone
Yeah,
or
it's
two?
maybe mom is Center Point
Sorry.
in Emirates. Center Point
Oh,
is in
okay.
UAE.
Okay.
UAE, it's already a franchise department.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good. So anything else?
Even
Any
it,
other?
even you can say
Reliance.
Reliance. Okay. Good.
Reliance
Reliance.
is not a franchising, ma'am. It's going to be like
Which one?
branching only, right?
Which one?
Reliance.
You mean to say that Reliance is not franchising?
Yeah, Reliance is like they have started a branch only, right? This franchising and putting branch is entirely different. Like the management will be from the
The Reliance supermarkets, Reliance retail store.
Roti.
I think no,
Yeah.
these are franchising. Yeah.
yeah, they have the someone department also. That's why it's going to be franchising.
Yeah, yeah. No, like not everything, but no,
Yeah,
the
someone
showroom.
department.
Exactly,
like us.
exactly. Yeah. So particularly, like those things, that's franchisee. Yeah. Yes. Very good. Very good. Anything, any one more company or business organization?
Yeah,
Patanjali.
like is yeah,
Patanjali.
like as you can say in
Myanmar, it
Zara,
was
fashion department. Zara in UAE is under control of Saudi Arabia. Is Al Hokair brand.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. When it comes to Patanjali, I don't think they are franchising because the product, like everything, like manufactured by the Patanjali, like manufacturing unit, somewhere in northern India. They do have outlets, like all over India. They do have outlets, but the idea, how to make, like make the product or produce a product that, that's not been franchised.
Yeah, mom,
I
just you
think
can say this.
Patanjali is giving products to distributors only, so they will
Yes,
distribute
yeah,
the products.
products are being distributors. No, that is no like what do you say? That's something different, but not franchising.
It's not
Franchising is
like
something
franchising.
you name an idea as well. For example, take an example of no KFC chicken. So no like all the outlets of no like KFC, no like I mean it doesn't no everything doesn't come from no directly from US. So get the no like the formula no for making no the chicken or whatever they are using. So the franchisee no like they can come up with their own idea of no like adding no like one or two ingredients more to the chicken, and they can sell the product. So using the name and the idea of no like there should be no something specialized in this KFC chicken, right? So they should be using some specialized spices no in some ratio. So that idea is no like bought by the other franchisee people, and no like they can have no start their own KFC outlets.
I think Domino's also is dealing franchising.
Domino's, yes,
yeah,
exactly.
yeah.
Domino's, Pizza Hut, McDonald's,
DTDC,
Subway.
that courier management,
Yeah,
DTDC.
yeah, yes. Okay, okay, good, very good. Yes, thank you. Okay, licensing. So licensing is a contract between two parties where licensor agrees the terms and conditions of the parent owner. That is no like only to the terms and conditions, not everything. That is only a part of something, no, like it's being licensed to the licensee, no, like to use that particular part. For example, you can see that no, like few commercial ads no they play famous musicians no like songs or the no music or BGM whatever and no like and many companies no like well-known companies are using no like Walt Disney's Mickey Mouse what do you say Mickey Mouse cartoon no like so they use it for no like promoting their products. So this is called no like licensing. That is a part of an idea or part of something no about the no like licensor from the licensor is got, and no the licensee uses it no like for promoting their own product, not the licensor's product but their own product. So that is the difference. So for this no like a fee or no royalty is charged by the licensor, and no like the licensee has to no like pay the fees. It keeps on changing. It is not like no like once a contract is made no like completely for years and years no like the licensor and the licensee no I mean the licensee can use that particular brand or idea for promoting their product. There will be some particular time frame, maybe after 5 years no like if the licensor feels that they have to know like stop giving the a part of their idea, part of their business idea or patent to the licensee, they can do that. So completely depends on the licensors no like what do you say decision making. So cost less than buying an entire company, and licensee doesn't have to pay for expensive no like okay expensive time consuming research and development. So they don't have to know go for research and development of how to know like promote their product in the market or to the consumers. So all they can do is know like add some part of the licensors know like idea or something and make it know like as a marketing strategy to promote their own products. So that is the difference. Pepsi, Coca-Cola. We can see, like Pepsi, they use, like I mean, famous, Hollywood BGMs, to promote their product. Even Coca-Cola does that. Any other inputs from your side? Licensing companies, Indian companies.
Ma'am, is it like giving a contract to a sub company like Pepsi? It's given to Varun Beverages. So is it a license? Is it mean like licensing company?
I didn't get you. Pepsi giving contracting to
Varun Beverages in India. So is it a example of licensing?
Varun. Sorry, Varun.
It's a contract site actually. Pepsi has given their business to the console. Is it an example for this licensing?
I have to check on that because this is something like new for me. So I have to check on that. I'm not sure about it.
Many companies having contract locations like they are giving their contract to some companies. So
okay, distributorship is something different. Distributorship
no,
is
even for the manufacturing, man.
Manufacturing. Okay, fine. So that comes under franchisee. That comes under franchisee. Licensing is something using only any one particular idea no from the organization part.
Okay.
So mom, what do you think? The Apple showroom is already open in India. It's operated by USA.
Yeah. Yes. The Apple is not like, it's not franchising. Apple doesn't do franchising.
It's like a licensing.
Licensing. Yeah, that licensing.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
Apple,
coming to
iPhone,
service part, it's licensing.
Yeah, service parts is licensing. Only the service part.
Yeah.
Only the service part. Yes. There is no only a particular particular part, like a small part of the like branded organization or something which is already famous, like to promote the licensee's product. So yes,
Better after sales service.
Exactly. And like mobile phones, mobile phones companies, like they go with like Android, I mean Apple iPhone with the like the manufactured mobile
with iOS and Android.
Exactly. So those things
Intel.
Yes. So that comes under licensing. Those things it comes under license. Yes, very good input. Okay. And then we have leasing. So leasing we all know about. We know what is like leasing a house, and difference between renting a house and leasing a house. Same applies with the organizations as well. So leasing is a method of paying for the use of an asset over a specific period of time. So during the time of leasing, like it is completely under the person who is taking lease of that, like the name or the thing or the company or the idea, whatever it is. So the lease, the person who has not taken the lease, like it's completely the person's own decision, like what to do with that product or what to do with the name or what to do with the brand, everything. So I have given an example of like Hong Kong. So we know very well like Hong Kong was under like taken for leasing by UK, the monarchy of the UK, the army of the UK. So like they didn't expect like they would be like just for namesake, the person who was like during that time when the leasing was not taken. So the person responsible for that making the agreement for leasing from UK side didn't expect that like after 99 years they have to give back it to China. So just for namesake, they made the contract, just like for 99 years, it will be under control of the UK army or UK monarchy, whatever it is. And after 99 years, it would be returned back. So because the British thought that like after like 50, 60 years, they will be, like in all the, like world. They will be, having their bases, like almost in, like in all the countries, across the world. That was their strong, like determination. But things have changed after World War and everything. And many countries, they started, like fighting back with the British people, for their independence and freedom. So after 99 years, the UK had no other way, like they had no other option, than to surrender. That is, give back Hong Kong to the China. So this is the best example. So leasing allows the lessee to enjoy the right to use an asset without actually owning it. So you're not owning it, but you're not like completely making use of that, like the name or the idea or the thing or whatever, the business organization or whatever. To enjoy such a right to use an asset, the lessee is required to make lease payments. Payments has to be done. Ownership of such asset, is generally taken back by the owner after the lease term expiration. So yes, input from your side. Oil companies, like many oil giants, like they lease a particular area, like a particular like particular land for mining oil and other resources, natural resources. So that is the best example. Most of like it happens in like UAE. It has happened in UAE and it's happening still in Russia. In Canada, it's happening. Any other inputs, examples?
Leasing is actually for like free zone areas. If it is industrial concept.
Yeah, yes. Even if free zone areas can be leased, maybe from the government. Yeah, it can be taken for like for use.
Okay, so otherwise, leasing is usually applied in real estate. Because I have heard just other corporate field, I haven't heard. That's why I asked.
Okay, it happens in corporate field also. So all we know is like we know about it happens in real estate, but yes, it applies for corporate field also, business organizations also. They take it for like they take up in a business organization for 5 years or 10 years. So once they are done with like everything, I mean gaining all the profits, they can return back the company to its original owners. Yeah. Warehouses. Yeah. So it's not necessary that the company which needs warehouses, they have to build their own warehouses, because like few special economic zones, they have like warehouses already built. The infrastructure is like already available in economic zones, special economic zones. And the company whichever wants to like whichever needs warehouse to keep their products on for a longer duration, maybe for 2 years or 5 years or whatever, they usually lease the warehouses from the parties, like from government agencies or from the owners of the warehouses. They lease the warehouse, they keep their products there, and after some period they have to like either renew the leasing contract, or they can like they can withdraw. Warehouses is best example. So in Kochi we have like many warehouses, like built-in warehouses, readily to be occupied warehouses. So again, it comes under like building and infrastructure. That is the best example. Yes, any other inputs?
And one more thing, ma'am, like the Pune is leased by the Indian military.
Pune.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The revenues are like some part of revenues are also going to Indian military also.
Okay.
And like it's more
forest
like
area.
Yeah, airline industry is also like
Yeah, that's a
part of
good example. Yes. Air Force. Yeah. The naval bases, even the naval bases, sometimes like ports are being like leased.
yeah recent ports like Toronto.
Ports. Yes. So that is also being leased. And yes, any other inputs?
And quarry is an example for leasing. Quarries.
Yeah, best example. Quarry is for no leasing. Yeah, yes. Very good. Yeah, very good. Yeah, good input. Okay, so finally we go for corporate expansions. That is a company which has its base, which has already succeeded. If they want to like expand their organization in other parts of the nation or other parts of the world, they can very well go with this plan, corporate expansions. That is business expansions. So in this way, they can capture new market, target new audiences, new customers, and they can like sell their brands across the world. And like initially when Amazon was started, it was particularly concentrating on US customers. Then slowly it expanded to like other neighboring countries. Then after that, it came to like Asian countries. So that's corporate expansion. So it applies with all laptop companies like Apple or whatever. So those are corporate expansions. So Apple has their expansion in like China as well. China as well. Yes, they have their like corporate office in China. So this is like corporate expansion. So Nalli is like they have they are textile giants, very famous South Indian textile giants. So they are very famous for their I mean the very famous for their huge collection and display of Kanjivaram silk sarees. You might have heard about it, Kanjivaram silk sarees. So after they have gained success in South India, like they slowly expanded it to like North India, and now they are in US, and they are in few European countries. They are in UK, they are in Australia. So this is like business expansion. Not only like adding another location, like it doesn't mean that is the only corporate expansion, but adding more sales employees. The business is becoming bigger and bigger. Adding more sales employees, it's also called as corporate expansion. Or adding few more departments, that is that comes under corporate expansion. And introducing more marketing ideas or increased like marketing strategies, adding franchising, and forming an alliance with like small companies, like making contract with small companies for procuring resources, or like making the distribution happen. That is also corporate expansion. And introducing a new product in the already existing product line, coming with a new product with like better quality. That is also corporate expansion. And merging or acquiring with another businesses, and even like taking an idea of like online marketing. So nowadays like you can see everyone has like come with like e-commerce. The Tata group, they come with like Tata new products. They are available in the like internet. So they have started a e-commerce business, and many other companies, I would say, for that matter. So these everything comes under corporate expansions. So what are the benefits of the corporate expansion? Is reduces external risk, that is posed by the competition. So if a competitor is somewhere like in another part of the world, or in another part of the country, or another part of the city, or location, so by like capturing the like the market, targeting the market where the competitor is like already they have made that stand. So so it reduces the external risk and enhance the impression of greater financial viability. So even if one one outlet is not functioning well, it's not making profit, if the other outlet is like making profit, other premises, or like the business setup is making profit, it's already like it's a profit to the company. So slowly they can shut down where like it's not happening, and more concentrate on the area or the location where no business is happening more. They can invest more in that particular location. So, so greater financial viability is there. Larger businesses often look more appealing to investors and lenders. So if you could say, no, we have branches all over Kerala or all over India, no, like for investors, it's a no attractive term to invest more, or no for lenders like no banking institutions or other financial institutions. So it's an added advantage for the corporation, business corporations. So yes, input from your side. Can you like give 2 more, 3 more examples of corporate expansions? We can list out many actually. Yeah.
MRF.
Good. Okay.
Astor Hospital.
Woodlands. Yeah.
Astor
Adidas.
Hospital.
Astor Hospital. Very good. Yes.
Reliance.
Okay.
Malabar Gold.
Okay. Yeah, that's true. Okay. So you can like list everything under one single category. FMCG products, fast moving consumer products, everything, even like because even if you take like mobile phones, there is also a fast moving, because every now and then new phones or new models are being introduced, and that is also like making business. So nothing is going down in like in technology industry. So laptop organizations going on with laptop production and like selling. So FMs complete all the FMCG product producing companies they they can be listed under corporate expansions. Hospital industry as well, though it's a service organization, people require medical assistance. That also comes under FMCG. That's like the medical service, medical assistance, that has become a commodity right now. So business is happening in that industry, and that is also a fast moving consumer good. The doctor's advice, doctor's prescription, everything related to the hospital industry. And of course textile industry, and the data. We need data for our like mobile phones, for acquiring the internet access. We need mobile data. So that also comes under like FMCG. Yes. Any other?
So what is MOM? The motorbike? This means Yamaha, Bajaj.
Okay. We cannot say. Okay. Few companies, few organizations we can mention as corporate expansion, but not everything.
Maruti.
Yeah. Yes.
Hero Corp.
Sorry.
Hero Corporation.
Okay, Hero Corporation. Yeah. Sometimes expansion may happen with merger and acquisition also. Okay, like what do you say, from like Maruti joining hands with Suzuki. So they come up with like Maruti Suzuki, and they have expanded the business. Yeah. So that
Vodafone Idea.
Vodafone Idea. Yes, good. No, we will be seeing that like in next few slides. So those two like yes, that also corporate expansions. Very good, very good. Okay. So yes, amalgamation. So amalgamation of company is the process of combining or merging more than 2 companies to form a new company. So forming a new company, either of the company is not going to lose their identity or dignity, or their their patented logos or their business ideas. Nothing is going to go down. So the only thing is they will come up with new new idea and a new company, new kind of organization. And either both the companies, or like whichever companies who's like into amalgamation, they can have their branded names like for the new company. So the best example is like Maruti Suzuki. So Japan's Suzuki and India's Maruti like motors. So they joined hands, they have come up with Maruti Suzuki. And Tata Sons and like AIA of I think Hong Kong based company, AIA. So they both joined hands and they have, is it Hong Kong or Korea? I'm not very sure. Hong Kong, I think so. So they joined hands and like they have come up with Tata AIG Insurance. It's an insurance company. So this or like amalgamation. Yes, few more examples. Amalgamated companies.
Earlier, Hero Honda.
Hero Honda, very good. Yes, excellent.
Maruti and Toyota.
Maruti and Toyota. Is that true? I haven't heard about it. I'm not sure about it.
Yeah. Then another one.
Oh, okay.
Then another one, BYD and Tesla.
BYD and Tesla. Okay.
ICICI Prudential.
ICICI Prudential. Very good. Yes, Prudential is there from.
Hutch and Vodafone.
Okay, yeah, Hutch and Vodafone. Actually, instead of amalgamation, you can say it as acquisition, because Vodafone has completely got Hutchinson company. So we can now make it as like acquisition instead of amalgamation. Yeah. Few more.
Can say, Mom. Yeah, Mom. It can say the more than one companies make a joining a one name. Like is in UAE. In UAE has the name is Al Hukai, but he has the department like it's fashion, then real estate. So the joint make a name is Al Hukai.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
That is like they have sister companies. I hope so.
Oh, sister company.
Is the parent company. They have some sister concerns. That's like it's a part of a group of companies. It's
okay,
not
so group of companies they amalgamated together. Okay, fine. Oh, good. Okay, that's good. And now merge. Yes. Anyone came with like
Yeah, Bajaj Alliance also.
Bajaj Alliance. Yes, very good. Bajaj Alliance. Yeah.
BOB with Vijay Bank.
BNP or BOB?
BOB, Bank of Baroda with Vijay Bank.
Okay. Bank of Baroda with Vijaya Bank. Very good. Okay. Yes, very good. So merger and acquisition.
Latest one is like Tata Group with the Air India.
Yes, excellent. Yes.
Facebook acquire WhatsApp, Meta.
Yes. Yeah, that is also a good example. Yes. Actually, Air India previously, like Tata was owning the, like the airspace industry in India. They were the first people, like to start the airbase, like industry. I mean the aerospace industry in India. So after independence, I think with the negotiation with the government, Indian government, Air India, Indian Airlines, like it was like it was made into a separate entity. So now again, like since Air India and like Indian Airlines, like since they are like little down in the business, again Tata has like made an like merger or amalgamation, like they have like joined hands together to make it like a little like make it as a like bigger business. Initially, it was not Tata who was owning the airspace industry in India. It was got from Tata to the by the Indian government. Yes.
And then they made a brand of Vistara. I think so.
Vistara.
Like the Vistara is like is on. I think the Tata is owning that.
They would have got shares of of that company. Few shares would have been got by Tata. So that maybe would have happened.
Is Tata and Air India is an amalgamation or acquiring
No,
company?
ma'am. This Tata is a joint venture of
They have
Vistara.
no joint venture. No, it's a
Yeah,
joint venture actually.
from Singapore Airlines.
Yeah, yes. So merger and acquisition is not, it's a line, no small line of difference, no, from amalgamation. That is, in merger and acquisition, the one company completely acquires everything, no, A to Z of the company which it is going to buy or already has bought. For example, Vodafone, and completely, it got like Hutchinson SR Limited, like now because the brand name of no Hutch or no anything is not no coming out, and the plans and everything, the ideas, no, like the business ideas of Hutch, no, it's not taken anymore. So completely, they have no like taken over the company. Vodafone has taken over, completely taken over Hutchinson SR. An idea like Vodafone and Idea. So Vodafone again acquired no like Idea, and they have come up with no like VI mobiles, or no like the services, the data bank services. And Zomato and no like Uber, completely got Uber Eats. They have no completely got the share of Uber Eats, and now it's no like they're completely operating under Zomato only. So we cannot know, even if I try to access Uber Eats, it automatically
Ma'am,
directs me to the
coming to part
Zomato
of
webpage.
Uber,
Yes.
it's like it's only like a regional wise. Like in India only, I hope this Uber Eats has been
Yeah,
more.
yeah, yes, of course. Not everywhere.
But
Yes,
globally, it's not accurate.
yes. Again, yes, that's true. So this is no major and acquisition. And in the case of acquisition, the parent company, which has got completely all the shares of the other company, so the parent company can decide whether they can take up the idea or take up any particular part or brand name from the other company. So it's completely the decision completely rests upon the parent company, which has acquired the other company, other business organization. So that is the difference between amalgamation and the acquisition. In amalgamation, they both join hands together, both can have their no identity and no like idea and everything. But in merger and acquisition, the parent company, which has got completely all the shares of the other business organization, so decisions are taken by them. So that is the only difference. Okay, finally, diversification, product diversification. The same company coming up with various, like stepping into, like various, type of industries. So I have taken ITC as an example. So initially it was started as Indian Tobacco Company. So their main product was tobacco. So after like analyzing and like understanding the health hazards because of like tobacco, the company has completely stopped making business like stopped the business of like acquiring or producing or selling tobacco. And now they have after they have came up with many diversification. Initially they started with group of hotels. You can see ITC hotels in major cities in India: ITC Sheraton, ITC Maurya, and ITC Welcome Hotel in, what I am listing out, it's in Chennai. All three hotels, like Chola, ITC Sheraton. So they have initially they have come up with the hotels and maximum 5-star, 7-star hotels. And then after some time, they slowly moved on into like the FMCG business, that is like atta and chips and like all food products and everything. And then after some time they got into like textile retailing. So they acquired, they made a contract with like foreign textile giants like John Players and few other giants, and they have like branding the products. And now recently, not recently, I would say for past like 4 or 5 years, I think so. Now they are into even the like production of, or like coming up with school accessories like notebooks, pens, no, like whatever, no, like the stationaries, no, like related to, no, like a school and colleges. They have come up with beautiful, no, like notebooks for, no, like children. So this is the product diversification. So even Reliance, no, it can be taken as an example. So initially they started off like a petrochemical company, and no, like slowly they have, no, like got into this this, what do you say, this mobile and no, like data thing, and no, like then they had started off with the textile retailing, and now they have, no, like supermarket. They have chain of supermarkets all over India. So they are still diversifying. They are not like still going on with no diversification. So yes, few more inputs from your side.
I think ITC is still under tobacco. They are under protection, right?
No,
Still
they
in the
have
state.
stopped. They have stopped.
HUL, no, HUL.
Sorry?
HUL.
HUL.
Hindustan United Limited.
Okay.
Tata Group.
Yes. Tata.
Unilever,
Yes.
Procter & Gamble.
Unilever is best example.
Yeah,
yes.
that's it. Sorry, HUL is that.
Yeah.
Unilever.
That's fine. Tata.
And
Yes.
Adani Wilmar.
Adani. Yes. Very good.
Wipro.
Wipro. Good. Started off with no, like IT business, and no, like diversified into, no, like they have BPO division, and they have now they have, no, like consumer products. They are in consumer products like children, baby
Even
products.
Tata
Baby
Consumer.
products. Yes, Tata, of course. Yes. Any foreign companies? Like
Nestle.
Ma'am, Procter & Gamble with oral care, beauty care, every business.
Procter and Gamble. Yes, good. Yes. We had one company called Jensen and Nicholson. I don't know now under what name they are operating, but initially they were, no, like having this no, like paint industry, and then no, they went on with again few FMCG products, and I don't know now. I don't know even the company is existing or not, but no, like we heard about that company, Jensen and Nicholson, and yes, few more. Textile showrooms, no, like now textile showrooms have, no, like even came with, they have, no, like come up with gold and silver showrooms. There is also diversification. Many, no, like Joy. No, we have one in Chennai. I'm not. I didn't get the name. So they are both into, no, like they are no, already they are giants in textile business, and recently, no, like past within 10 years, no, they have, no, like again diversified, no, with selling gold and no silver. Yes, any more? Motorola, yes.
Toshiba.
Yeah.
Kalyani Jewelers and Kalyan Textiles.
Textiles, exactly. Yeah, jewelers and textiles. Yeah.
MRF tires and
MRF
MRF
is there,
paper paints.
Dapagio Prints. Yes.
Reliance Industries.
Yeah, that's a good example. Yeah.
What about Kingfisher?
Kingfisher. Okay. Yeah, it was previously. It was, but now I think, no, it's acquired by some other no, like business organization. So they still operate with the name, one or two no, like businesses still operates with the name Kingfisher, but the other, no, it has changed. Yeah, and even no, like
Amazon.
Yeah, yes.
Disney also. Right?
Disney, yeah, good. So they're into film production. They are into, no, like setting up this what do you say, amusement parks and everything. Yes, good. I'm getting, no, like good inputs. Almost all the, no, like 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 Samsung is a good example. They are into washing machines, like all maximum like electronic items, they are into it. Samsung. And
Salesforce and Slack. Why? Salesforce and Slack.
Okay, Salesforce and Slack.
Yes, it's a software merger.
Oh, okay. Good. Okay. That's it. Okay, so we have few more actually, so that we will be seeing in our next session. But this session's material will be sent to you, including our first session of HRM, Human Resource Management. So these are the few business types, business organizations we have. And the remaining we can see in our next session. So if there is any doubt, we can you can leave the session. Anything else you would like to discuss? Okay, in that case, we can leave the session. See you next week.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.